Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create Reasons online banking account. For that, make sure you open your preferred browser. Here I am opening Google. Now at the search bar, you can simply search reasons.com. Now you will be lead to the official homepage of Reasons Bank. Now at the right side, you can see the login option, and just below the login option, you can see enroll in online banking option. Click over there. Now you will be lead to this page where you need to fill down your information. So firstly, type your social security number. In case if you don't have your social security number, you can simply click on I don't have a social security number, and they will be guiding you for the further process according to it. After that, you need to type your email address. After you are done writing your email address, you can simply confirm your email. After that, you need to write down your phone number. After you are done writing your phone number, you can see the option what kind of bank accounts do you want to enroll in Reasons online banking. And the options are personal banking, business banking, or personal and business. For this video, we will go for personal banking. Again, they will be asking you that what personal accounts do you have with the Reasons. Select one. Checking or saving or other Reasons account only. For this video, we will go for checking or savings. Now we need to choose a method to verify our personal account, that is ATM check card number or customer number. Here we will type our customer number. After you are done filling your information, you can simply click on next button. Then you will be lead to the second step, which is online banking access, where you will be getting your username and password for your Reasons Bank account. After that, you need to go through a confirmation process. In this process, all you need to do is confirm your account either from your mail or text. After you are done doing these steps, your user ID and your password will be ready for your Reasons Bank account, and you can simply go to the home page, click in login option, type your username. In case if you want to be remembered for the next time you log into your account, you can simply click on remember my username. After writing down your username, you can simply click on continue. After that, you need to write down your password that you have set earlier. And after this, you can simply click on continue, and you will be guided for the further process to log into your Reasons Bank account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.